Hello there, my precious little bowheads. It's me, American Bowhead. Today I have a special video just for you. I have 9,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel right now, and it feels amazing. And as a special thank you to you, I'm going to start this bad boy today. I already tried yesterday, and it just went click, 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 click. So I went to Harbor Freight and took pictures of their floor model to see what wires I had crossed. Now it runs. As you'll see in a minute, I just did it, but I'm doing this intro after, so you gotta see this, and you're gonna see it, and it says thank you from me to you, and here's onward and upward. Here's hoping that I get 10,000 and 100,000 and 6 trillion views and subscribers. And I know that this is kind of sacrilegious for the mini boat community, as we're old farts. I'm 50 years old, by the way, and we like the quiet electric motors, but I just thought I'd do something jazzy for you today. And these are still hot. This one has some of the packing metal still in it, so it rattles a lot, and so I'm gonna take that out and it'll sound a lot better, but enjoy, and thank you again. Of course, thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go. So that's what Harley pipes sound like on a Predator 670 V-twin. This was that rattling noise. Just have to get that out of there. Somebody did a hack job taking the silencers out or depacking it. Smoking gun, baby. You can see how it jumped over. I don't have it attached to the bottom of the boat. And my kill switch didn't work, but at least it started. Oh, I'm just gonna smell it. Oh, it smells so clean. Fresh motor, probably less than an hour on it. Oh, yeah.